In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to schedule emails in Outlook so they send automatically at the perfect time. This is incredibly useful if you work across time zones, want to follow up with clients later, or simply prefer to write emails now and send them later. Scheduling emails helps you stay organized, professional, and more productive. If you find this Outlook tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your desktop or through Outlook on the web and make sure you're logged into the account you want to send the email from. Once you're in your inbox, start by composing your email just like you normally would. Click on New Email, then enter the recipient's email address, your subject line, and write the full message in the body. Take your time here and double-check everything, because this email will be sent automatically at the scheduled time without any further confirmation. Once your email is fully written and ready to go, don't click Send just yet. Instead, look at the Send button at the top of the Compose window. Right next to it, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click on that drop-down arrow to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Schedule Send. This is the key feature that allows Outlook to delay your email. After clicking Schedule Send, Outlook will show you a few default time options, such as sending the email later today, tomorrow morning, or another commonly used time. If one of these options works for you, you can simply select it. However, if you want full control over the exact date and time, click on Custom Time. This opens a date and time picker where you can choose exactly when you want the email to be delivered. Select the date you want the email to be sent, then choose the specific time. Make sure you're aware of your time zone so the email goes out when you expect it to. Once everything looks correct, click Send. At this point, the email will not be sent immediately. Instead, Outlook automatically saves it in your Drafts folder and holds it there until the scheduled send time arrives. If you ever need to make changes before the email is sent, you can go to your Drafts folder, open the scheduled email, edit the content, or even cancel the scheduled send entirely. This gives you flexibility and peace of mind in case plans change. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled an email in Outlook. This simple feature can save you time, improve your workflow, and help you communicate more effectively. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.